So in this video, I'm going to show you how to add the base blockchain to your MetaMask wallet. Now there's a couple of ways that you can do it. If you come up to your MetaMask wallet, then once your MetaMask wallet's open, if you click on this arrow here, you've got the blockchains here. So the very first one you have by default is Ethereum. I've added a couple of other chains as well. But if you look here, it says additional networks, and you've got base here. So you can click on add that. Now, if you don't see base there, then all you need to do is to come over to basescan.org. You can see that there. I'll leave the link for that below this video. And then scroll down the bottom of the screen and you'll see here it says powered by Base. It says Basescan is a blockchain explorer and analyzer platform for Base. And you'll see there that there's an icon that says add to MetaMask. So I click on that. That opens up my MetaMask wallet and then click on approve. And then if I come up to my MetaMask wallet again, you'll see here that you've got this message telling you that Ethereum is used as the main token for gas fees on the blockchain base. And you'll also see that you need to send some Ethereum on the base network to this. Now you can either use your MetaMask portfolio or you can use another way to bridge your tokens over. But as you can see, you've now got Base added to your MetaMask wallet.